In this video we are going to be running Pocket Option Auto Trader again, and I have added 5 more strategies, and this time I added the best ones. You can expect from 65 to 77% win rate, and I'm going to show that in this video. So now, if you want to be running this binary option robot also, make sure you check out the link that are below the video, and you can get started today, and you can start running this free binary option robot also today. So now I will run without Martingale. Normally I like to use Martingale because even though when you have a high win rate, you want to earn more money. But in this video I will run without Martingale, and I will choose one of the new strategies so you can see how good it is. So with that, let's start out the binary option robot and let's see how much money we make in this video.
Hey, yeah, let's see how you do under pressure with my pocket option. Boom. Yeah. I've been wanting this shit forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me, brush it off, pick myself up. Moving on to the better. Okay, yeah. Ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early feeling rich like me, the alpha when I get to the paper, boy. Stay here with me, you know that I got it. Come with me, let's take a trip to the island. We up in the jet, we'll do more than just fly on it. Stand on that hill, you gon' die on it. Boom. Baby, I'm not one of them, you should try on it. Miss me with all that, I'm on to the next. Fuck this up, I send you back to your old mentor. Buckle up with that, as big as it gets. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's go. Give them a name to remember. Okay. Let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's go. A moment can live on forever. Okay. Oh shit, they done let me shoot a whole clip. Firepower in this coalition. We just turned the field into a demolition. It was desolate, but I had premonition. I was training for war, every exhibition, every extra mission. Every enemy listen and get offside, I got bad intentions. Making right every wrong, and I'm back with a vengeance. I show you the road, piece of my time, I can show you the coast. Up in the shots, if they wanna just fuck, if you know that you know. Sweet it up, my whole team do the same. Don't you forget who created the game. We're ready for war, I was born with a blade. This is the trend, is get. Let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's go. Give them a name to remember. Okay. Let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's go. A moment can live on forever. Okay. Let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's go. Give them a name to remember. Okay. Let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah, let's see how you do under pressure.
71% win rate. Exactly what I told you all about. This last robots I added here now, from this 18 down to 22, all of them is between 65 up to 78% win rate. So now make sure that you get this binary option also. You find link below the video. You can get started today and you can start to let this one run and trade for you and make money for you. So with that, have an amazing day and I'll see you on the next.